Hello everyone, I am Tanesh Vastav and I will be demonstrating about an AWS service known as AWS Amplify. AWS Amplify is a full suite of tools and services that is designed by Amazon to help developers build and launch apps easily. With AWS Amplify, the developers can configure backends, manage external content, connect apps and deploy static web apps instantly. So let me give you a quick demonstration of AWS Amplify. So go to the console home, search for Amplify. Select AWS Amplify. Now just scroll down. Here you can see two options. You can either build an app or we can either host our app. So we already have an app, so I'll just quickly show you how to host it. So just click on get started. Now here we can either connect our repository or we can select this option if we want to deploy our code from the local. So I'll select the GitHub option as I have it on my repository. Then click on continue. Now here we need to install and authorize AWS Amplify on GitHub. So just click on this, install and authorize. So this will finally connect with our GitHub. Now you can see I get the list of repositories I have. So I'll just select this museum app. Now you can select which branch you want to deploy. Okay, so on the left you can see there are 3 steps. So only in 3 steps we can deploy an app. So I'm currently deploying a Ionic app that I made. So just click on next. Here you can see the build settings. You can modify it if you want. We'll click on next. Here we can review all the settings. If everything is okay, then save and deploy your application. You can see it has started creating the app, Museum Ionic app, and let's just click on this link. So here you can see your app will appear here once you complete your first deployment. So you can see over here there are 3 steps. So the first is already done, provisioning is done. Now then the build, and then finally it will be deployed. So once this all the 3 steps is completed, we'll be able to see our app over here through this URL, and you can see continuous deploy setup. So what this means is if you change the code on the repository, that is if any change is made in the project that is on the GitHub, so once the changes are pushed, so it will automatically start building the project again. The entire thing, all the process will start once more. So with this continuous deployment, we don't need to start this process manually every time. It will happen automatically. It takes some time, I guess around 5 minutes to deploy it. So we'll just wait. I'll show you through PPT how it looks. So currently we are in this state. We are not able to access the app. But once all these 3 processes done, you can see the app will be deployed over here. You can see the URL. So let's just check. You can see the URL of the app that has been deployed over here. It contains amplifyapp.com in this. It is taking a lot of time, so let's end this over here. I've already shown you like how it looks after deploying. The app will be available over here once it is deployed. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.